The old Chasano, Onim Senechia, the whole West Africa, Ghana, Yananka, Enipa buye pa, encourage try wash yena buye. Essence, Omonim said Ghana, a Christian country. Ye nimukasa, ye di ye hune, and I ye school susu ye. The old Chasano, a kind for Bible. Onim se na chia na so de odi akire no esua de odi kan nante eti Ghana umayenhwe ye kasa mu yie Ghana mpanimfo binum edi mpanimfo atam ebinum kura timi didi omampani atam eti amankwara na wo mudi akire no oni sua atenidie no oni timi didi president atam oni timi didi mpanimfo atam esanse yen mpanimfo no na ye saade no na nkwara no oni sua na so the whole West Africa no yen ni nipa enka oman na atwa ye ho ahye ni nyina omu sua yen etimu me yenhwe atenidie se ye didi ye mpanimfo atam se ye didi ye mampani atam no moma yenhwe ni ye na ye nyae na enye emebuse muti osenkanfo ti aduenu nson eyimu miensa no wose obuo eyedru na anwuemu ye peme na ojimifo abufuo no eyedru chen ni mienu nyina eti osofo a wote asori dan mu na wo preach a kire enkwara osofo a wote asori dan mu wo preach a kire enipa momosua eniema papa wo mu na wo di omampani atem na wo yije wo mampani eni mpanimfo a atwa ne hu nyina ahia no edien na wo pese nipa na wo preach a kire omo no oni sua e wo preach ni mu edien na wo pese nkwara wo wo asori dan mu wo no oni sua e wo preach na wo preach ana tenidie na wo didi omampani eni mpanimfo atwa ne ho ahia no edien na wo pese nkwara no oni sua free mu momi enhwe ye kasa yiye yesusu eni ye mpanimfo atam yesusu yija ye mpanimfo yesusu emu omanimutia esan se ni ayeye ni nyina ensua ne ma bone sa amfiri ye ho esan se ye bekọ na ye chi no momi enhwe bibi kakra wa
change that history. Nobody. Danko didn't do Foko. Danko is a ritual murderist. They should come and ask me. He murdered his own brother, Achiamensa, the chief of Abidjan, so that they can blacken the stool of Ufurata, his half brother. This nonsense will not be tolerated. Are they the only Ghanaians? Why should we allow one small family to dictate to us? It will never happen. Let me tell them something. In June 4th, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. There are two ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid G-Mensa, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling G-Mensa today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If G-Mensa thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, G-Mensa. You are an idiot. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense kwa muni bi. Cause you're for. Finish that Ghana ye to mama. Moi. Jim 4. Look, let me tell you something. Odifo Kwabneteria. He said 9 prominent MPP people will die before MPP wins power. Sometimes the prophecy doesn't come from me, but when the prophecy is authentic, God will tell me, monitor that prophecy. So I started monitoring. Now, I remember in 2015, before Parliament broke, the Lord told me, tell MPP to organize prayers at the Western region. I didn't know who to tell because I didn't want to go. Me, I don't like pride. Then the Lord said, well, Kennedy Japan says he's their financier, so go and tell him. So I went to Parliament, filled the visitors form, and then he came, he called me. In fact, I'll be very honest, he gave me respect. After that, but when he called me, suddenly about 45 people popped up from nowhere. Honorable my rent, honorable my school fees, honorable my medicine. I said, hey, is that what is going on? So we couldn't even dialogue. So I just summarized what I had to tell him. And then he asked me to call him the next day, 5 a.m. I didn't know he woke up so early. And when I called, he was up. He had had his bath and he was on his way to work. You know what he told me? Was this awful? Oh, he told me. He said, wait, Jimmy, and I'm sure honorable Mate. Oh, see, Jimmy, someone you might. My Jimmy, MPP for my Jimmy, free throw copying form. Honorable Kennedy Japan say, my day, my Jimmy, Nanado MPP. Oh, Nanado MPP. And the Kennedy Japan say, Jimmy. Bow me or MPP. And the Kennedy Japan say, Jimmy. Oporiata or MPP. Safma for MPP. Jimmy for MPP. And the Kennedy Japan say, can't say, what Jimmy Jimmy? What Jimmy for? When Jimmy and Kamunya Demoye. Me say, we are waiting for you. Hey, the fire will fall. Do you know what I saw? I saw Achem Tebi, the palace. I saw it on fire. And people were saying, let the blood flow. And I said, whose blood? They said, the Achem Mafia. Safo Mafo. Ah, they'll round you all up. Do you know, thanks be to God, because of Corona, all the borders are closed. Nobody's going anywhere. We are all here. Until if you like, do what is right and live peacefully, or do what will cause the fire to burn, and the fire will burn you. Nobody's going anywhere. So that Pat Noah Togo now, Pat Noah free play now go Dubai. No, we are all here. We are all here. Nobody's going anywhere. Akufo-Addo, don't open the borders.
Osenkafo enwoma. Also Osenkafo emawo ohunhum emprewo abu eniema ho bebre. Emawo abufuo emprewo wo eniema ho bebre. Se obufu a instead se obayi yempanifo no kan wakoma to yam na makasa pan free wanum mra na ne awoka ni nyina enkwara etie na ono ansua